Hi, I'm Daniel Brusual and my biggest hobby is making videos. I like to make videos mostly about my travels. However, during the last 2 years I have made several job application videos and have helped my friends make their own. My goal with this workshop is to give you very simple tips that will allow you to improve the quality of your video profile from here to here. Making a personal video is a great way to showcase your personality to potential employers. It allows you to stand out from the crowd and it makes people remember you better. Before the workshop, I have one single thing to ask from you. Go ahead and make your own personal video profile. You can do so with your phone. That's good enough. Explain who you are and say something nice about yourself. If you're looking for a job, say which type of job you're looking for and give a reason for recruiters to contact you. The video should be around 30 seconds to 1 minute, no more. If you like, you can share it with me via YouTube and I'll give you feedback. You can also keep it private. However, it's really important that you make the video as it will allow you to take the most out of this workshop. See you soon.